Yo, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're a Windows user, there are a lot of settings that you never realized were on by default and you should change it now. So in this video I'll show you 5 settings that you should change right now in Windows. So before starting, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's begin the video. Okay, so the first setting is this file manager. If you click on this, it will take you to quick access, which I don't think anyone uses. Everyone just clicks this icon and then just go to this PC. There's a setting that if you click on this icon that you will go by default to this PC. I will show you. What you have to do is just click on this file manager icon, click on view. Now click on this option button. Now click change folders and search options. Now you will see this setting, open file explorer to just change the quick access to this PC and hit apply and OK. And now if you click on this icon, now it will launch to this PC. So yeah, that was the first tip. Now let's move on to the second tip. So this one is basically for gamers and editors. Sometimes what happens, your software crash and you need task manager to kill the software, but the software you are running completely freezes your computer, and if you open task manager, it is in background and you can't do shit, and you have to force shut down your PC. To prevent that, what you have to do is just go and open task manager, and now you have to click on this options button, and now you have to, then you'll see always on top, just check this. And now if any programs crash, just like Premiere, After Effects or Photoshop, what you have to do is just hit Ctrl Shift and Escape. That's the shortcut key to task manager. If you open it, it will minimize the program that you're running, and task manager will be on the top of it. Yeah, that was the second tip. Let's move on to the third tip. The third tip is just go to the control panel, change this category to small icons, and you will see power options. Just click here and you will see some plans here. Now by default it will be selected to balanced, but you can see more plans just like high performance and ultimate performance. You can select that. Now it will give you better FPS in your games and softwares will run smoothly. Just in mind, if you're using but if you use a laptop on battery, the battery will drain quickly. So if you use a laptop plugged in all the time, just change the settings. And that was the third tip. Now let's go to the fourth tip. Okay, the fourth tip is sometimes you search a file and it does not show up in the Windows search. But so what happens is Windows does not search your whole computer, but you can change that by going to settings. Now you have to go on this search button, click on this. After that you have to just click on this searching Windows, and now you will see this find my files. It will be set on classic. Now just click on enhance and that's it. Now if you search a file, it will search up your whole computer. So that's it for the fourth tip, and let's move on to the fifth and the last tip. So the fifth tip is about privacy settings. What you have to do is go to the settings again and just click on this privacy, and now you will see this 4 options. Now what you have to do is turn off all of this. If you turn all of this off, so Windows will stop sending your data to Microsoft. And yeah, so that was all 5 settings that you should change or turn off. And let me know if you want part 2 of this video, but that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.